Welcome to the MirageUnlimited.com site. We would like to show you our quick disconnect mirror mount system. The three-piece system is made of high-quality solid aluminum. The mirror mount arm attaches to the door or the windshield pillar when the door is removed. There's also a quick locking system when necessary. When off-roading, the mirror arm assembly can easily be removed and placed in safe storage. The assembly fits the JK using the original factory mirror and retrofits the TJ model. The right and left side mirror assemblies allow for perfect rear vision with the doors on or off. They come with a lifetime warranty. It can be purchased in satin black powder coat or high quality, long lasting, bright aluminum. This is MirageUnlimited.com. Thank you for listening.